शारी उदका मार्गावेली वाहतूक वाडोवपाच्या दिश्टीन गोंयान वॉटर मेट्रो सुरू करपाचो केंद्राचो विचार आसा. भारतीय अंतर्गत उदका मार्ग प्राधिकरणाच्या 196व्या बसकेत ह्या प्रकल्पाविशीं चर्चा जाल्ली. प्राधिकरणान हे विशीं शक्यताय अहवालूय मागयला. कोचीन मेट्रोक ह्या प्रकल्पाचेर कामाक लायला. शक्यताय अहवाल आयल्या उपरांत ह्या प्रकल्पाचेर फुडलो विचार जातलो अशें बंदर कप्तान खात्याचो संचालक ऑक्टावियो रॉड्रिगीज सांगता. आयकात ताचें म्हणणें.
Yeah, when the 16th Finance Commission came to Goa, there was a proposal put up to them regarding the urban water metro. Okay, so this was taken up by the 16th Finance Commission with IWAI, that is Inland Waterways Authority of India. So the IWAI in their board meeting, they appointed this to do a feasibility study of urban water metro, and so they appointed Kochi Metro. Okay, so there is a successful model in Kochi, like Kochi Metro railway lines. So these people, they have actually appointed, but work order is not yet given, I think so. But once the work order is given, then they will inform me. Okay, because they have, I think, taken some 2-3 states, maritime states, for this feasibility study. So once the work order is issued to them, they will inform us. And we will check the feasibility along with the Kochi Metro. And I think Goa, it is feasible here to have this Kochi water metro. But economically viable, that they have to study. Okay, so because we have many jetties here, and even either we are going to install another some 10 jetties over here, and that network will be established. It is. I find that we just do the study first, and right. So it is like from the roots. It's a network. Maybe from Panjim to Old Goa, Panjim to Aldona, Panjim to Diwar Island, Panjim to Chodon Island, then Panjim to Margam Goa to Kortalim, and also from Margam Goa to Kandolim. That also is another study that they have to do. Rest, let's see how it goes.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, गोमंतक TV.